I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you an interesting question. It is based on concept of slope. The question is, slope of a line is -2. Determine two other points on this line if it passed through 1, 1. So what we're given is that we are given a line which passed through point 1, 1. So on this graph, 1 and 1 will be this point. So the line passes through this point 1 and 1 and it has a slope of -2. So we have a point, let's say the point is A and the point A is 1, 1. So we can mark this point here A as 1, 1, right? And we need to find two other points on this line. And we are also given that slope of the line M is -2. How can we find two other points? Now, as you know, what is slope? Slope is change in y value over change in x value. So from 1, we are saying that slope is -2. That means we can say change in y value is -2 and let the change in x value be 1. Correct? So let's see how that change will affect this point. So from here, let's move 2 units down. Change in y value is -2. That means we'll move 2 units down. That is my change in y value, correct? And change in x value is 1. So we can move 1 unit here, we get to this point. So that point should be on the line, and if you find slope between these 2 points, it will be -2. Do you get the point? And what are the coordinates of this point? Let's figure it out. Coordinates of this point, let me call this point as B. So we get point B. The coordinates are 2 is the x value, y value is -1. So 2 and -1. That is one way of doing it. Now, we can also interpret slope M. We are saying slope is change in y over change in x. And in our case, slope is -2. So what I could do is, I could take change in y value as 2 and change in x value is -1. Even then, I get -2, right? So this time, let's try with this option, that is change in y values +2. That means from A, let us move 2 units up, 1 and 2. That is +2 change in y value. Change in x value is -1. That means 1 unit left. So when I come 1 unit left, I reach this point. Let me call this point as C. Now coordinates for point C is, coordinates of point C is x value is 0 and y value is 3. Do you see that? So if you connect these points, you'll get a straight line and the slope of that line will be -2. Do you understand? So like this, you can actually get many points on the same line. And that's a technique of finding more and more points on the line given slope and a point. I hope you understand and appreciate it, right? Try it on your own. Find 2 more points on this line which has a slope of -2 and that passes through point 1, 1. Thank you.